Hey everyone, you are watching Circuit TV. Welcome to my channel. You may wonder what I am doing with this Ninja Star, but there is a catch. It turns into a 8 spike Ninja Star. Isn't it amazing? So let's make it. You will need 2 square papers, but I will show you one because I just tear apart 2 of these and it will be beneficial for me if I make only one on this video, because the video will get a bit bigger. So without wasting time, let's make it. We need to make a crease along the center and divide this square into 2 rectangles. So let's do it. I had used white paper for this one, but I'm using 2-colored paper because it will be good for thumbnail, as well as it will be beneficial for you guys to know that the crease will be visible and we can differentiate which part goes where. So carefully divide the paper. It's a bit moist, the environment is a bit humid, so the papers are a bit wet. So we will save this for later because I will pause the video and make the remaining 3. So anyways, so the first step we need to do is fold this in half. Just like this. Now take this this line, match it with this line over here. I'm not using my table at this time because this model came out perfect if you do it with your hands. Anyways, now we need to repeat the same step on this side, but from opposite side. And so we just fold from the closed side, we need to fold this one from the open side, and take this edge and match it with, or fold it with this edge over here. Now take this line, match it with this line, just like this. Do it a bit careful because you won't get spiky or sharp corners. Repeat the same step on this side also. Oops. Wait, are they opposite? Yeah, they are opposite. So okay, never mind, I was a bit confused. Or did I just make a small mistake? It seems like I just had made a mistake. We need to fold it from this side, not this side. Shit. Anyways, I have the other. I will just to correct it, we need to just fold it like this. So to be honest, I made this mistake intentionally because sometimes we need to correct these things because these are the multiple parts that we are building, same kind of thing, same parts with multiple papers that we need to assemble after, so you might as well make the same mistake. Now repeat all with the all other remaining 3 pieces. The green one was also a square. Anyways, let's make the video a bit bigger, and it will help me to grow out throughout the YouTube. So and take this as a reference, because we will need to make exact copy of this part. So just make sure you are making it like this, otherwise you will end up with something a bit horrible and messed up thing. That we don't want, because we care for environment. And we are wasting some paper. See, these two are identically same. Now let's fold the green one. It was also a square paper. I just rip it apart. And again, take one as a reference so that you won't make any kind of mess again. To be honest, I really need some references, otherwise I just screw up things very easily. So let's make the last one. You can use 2 A4 size papers and cut them into squares and divide those, just in case you need a bit bigger star kind of thing that we are folding right now. So now, after making these parts, the assembly is a bit tricky, so we will need to take 2 pieces, put them together like this, and take another piece and put it opposite to it, like completely opposite, and the middle portion needs to get opposite, not the, like we are making a sandwich. 2 pieces of bread and some meat inside. Bread are same in texture, but the meat is completely different. Sorry for my vegan viewers. I think so we will need to fold it something like this, and we need to secure this in place. So to make it secure, first fold this again and like this, and insert this inside over here, and you'll end up like something like this. Take the remaining piece and match it like this one and fold it just like we did previously. Fold. And this is a bit tricky part, the assembly process, because we really can't see which part is going which way. And like, see, I think I will need some bit more reinforcement or some visible crease. If it isn't working, just squeeze it hard against the table. It will do the job for you. One, two, three. Yep. The model will be ready within this is the last step. Just insert it just like this, and your model is ready. Just make sure you press it hard against the table and you are ready to play with it. So hope you enjoyed the video, and you might learn something new today. If you really learned it, then hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you appreciate my work here on this channel, you can support me through Patreon and BMC. So thanks for watching.